everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lexi, and before I get started on today's video, I wanted to kind of give you guys a little update on everything I'm going to be doing with my channel for 2021. So just briefly, I wanted to share with you guys that in 2021, I really want to start sharing with you guys the technology and gadgets that I use to make my life easier and more productive, just because I have so many great ones and I got more to add to that collection. And in this day and age, I just think using technology to your advantage is really important, and knowing how to use different things is just really awesome. So I wanted to share all of that knowledge with you guys and kind of lean my channel in that direction, because you all know I love to vlog and share the fun moments, but I also want to give you guys some tips and tricks that you can use to make your own life easier and more productive. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. So today I am going to be unboxing the Ember Temperature Control Mug 2. So I'm really excited about this one because I like to drink coffee in the morning and tea at nighttime. So I always have something, but I tend to leave it sitting around for a while and then it's not as hot and I have to like warm it up, or like I just waste a lot of time trying to get it to the perfect temperature. So this mug is going to change all of that for me, and I'm really excited to open it up, set it up, and give you guys a little review about it. So let's do it. Okay, so opening it up. So now that we have this and the plastic off, we can open up the box. And here it is, and it looks so nice, and it is going to be the perfect thing because it is so durable. It is stainless steel and also reinforced with a ceramic coating, so it will not break. But also in the box we have the charging coaster, which is perfect, so you can charge it just on that, but also the charge stays in the cup when it is fully charged, so that is awesome. And also in the box there is the charger for the coaster and just some instructions and different things. So super simple, that's all that comes in the box. Alright, so here's everything out of the box. We have the mug itself, which is really, really nice and sturdy, so that's really awesome. And it says charge before use, so I should probably get that plugged in quick, which it charges from its little coaster stand. And it also comes with the charger and this little packet of instructions, so not too much stuff, so easy to keep organized. But I'm going to have to get this plugged in so it is all charged and ready to use once I start getting the app downloaded, but we'll get to that in 1 second. And sorry, I'm like sideways, but it plugs right into the back, so I have the charger plugged in. It's not lighting up or anything, so I'm hoping when I put the mug on there that it'll show me that it's on. Oh, and disclaimer before I put it on, I did just take off the sticker that says it is not microwave safe. So super important to know because it is battery powered. So do not put it in the microwave. It should probably say that in huge letters on the box, or maybe people just know that. So here is our charging coaster, and I'm going to put the mug right on it, and as you can see, the LED light lit up and now it is red, which means it is ready to pair. So I need to grab my phone and set it up. Okay, so as you saw, I plugged it in, put the mug on there, and it started lighting up. So now I have my phone so I can download the Ember app and start pairing it so I can use it. And I have this mug of tea up here that we're going to try it with. So what you'll need to do is open up the App Store and search Ember. And it comes right up, Ember Temperature Matters. And I just need to double click to install. And it's using my Face ID right now. So hopefully that doesn't take too long to download. But while it was, I just wanted to let you guys know that I have tried like mug stands that like heat the coaster, I guess, which go through the mug. And like that's really nice, but you can't take the mug anywhere and it always has to go back on the stand to keep it at its temperature. Where this one you can carry it around and take it places. And Ember also has travel mugs, so you can like take it in your car, and it has the top on it, so that's really cool, and it works the same way, and I'm sure setup is very similar. But I just think it's really awesome that it's super portable, and I wanted to say thank you to my boyfriend and his family for getting this for me, because I know I'm going to love it and use it all the time. But the app is downloaded. Okay, so they would like to use Bluetooth, of course. And obviously they can send me notifications. Perfect. Let's get started. Okay, so as you can see again, there's the Ember Mug on there, the Ember Mug Travel, and the Ember Mug Travel 2. So we're going to click Ember Mug. And this does say Ember Mug 2 on the box. I don't know. It's not really clearing up. There you go. It does say 2 on the box. So I'm not really sure why there's 2 options for the travel and only 1 for the regular mug, but that's okay. So now I need to pick up the mug and click this button on the bottom until it turns blue. Okay, there we go. So it is clearly blue now. I don't know if you can see that flashing. It might be kind of hard to see, but it is. And now I'm hitting next, and it's found. That was really, really easy. Pair. And we're connected. So now I need to make an account. I'm just going to use my Apple info. Which makes life really, really easy. So I'm agreeing and signing up. Ooh, so you can personalize it and pick your own LED color light. So naturally I'm going to pick a hot pink. Done. Okay, so now it says my mug is empty, which is why I brought up my evening green tea. So I'm going to dump that in there without making a mess. Okay. Alright, so now it is letting me pick my temperature, and it like shows, as you can see with the light, like how hot that is. So I'm going to make it like 140. Let's go with. Okay. So it is showing me that it is currently 120 degrees and it is heating it up to 140, which is so cool and really, really easy. So literally it's sitting there doing this while I'm doing nothing, and I could carry it around with me and it would still do it, and it is climbing as we speak. So that is just really amazing, but we're going to see what the app does. But all in all, that was so easy to unbox, very minimal pieces, and really easy to set up. And this is just going to make my life so much easier on the move, because I can like make my coffee, jump in the shower, get it to the perfect temperature I want, go to class, have it still sitting there, perfect temperature for me when I get back. With this one, I will probably leave it in my room, and if I go to like Starbucks, I will dump my drink in it when I get back to my room. And as a college student, especially with wearing masks, I don't really take coffee to class with me or anything. So this is what's going to be really awesome, because I can get it and not like feel wasteful if I don't drink it, because it'll still be sitting waiting for me when I get back from class. So that is really awesome. And I know like when you're on a Zoom call, you're at home, but still like you don't always want to be drinking the whole time you're on there. So you can just leave your coffee sitting around while you're in your meeting or on the phone or whatever you're doing, and it'll still stay the perfect temperature. So for productivity reasons, to not have to keep going up and using the microwave or getting a new coffee or tea or whatever you drink in the morning or night time, it's just really easy and convenient. So like I said earlier, I love using technology to make my life easier and more productive, and that's what I want to use my channel to share with you guys. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I hope you guys enjoy it and subscribe for more content. That is it for this Ember Mug unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more technology hacks to make your life easier and more productive. But that is it for today's video, and I will see you all next time. Bye, guys.